friends, please stay tuned to learn how to make Tameez bread. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make Tameez bread today. In a bowl, add 3 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. Give it a mix. Make a well. Now add 1 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. Friends, if you'll be using active dry yeast, then dissolve 1 1/4 teaspoon of yeast and half teaspoon of sugar in half a cup of lukewarm water. The temperature of the water should be 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Let this mixture stand until yeast begins to foam vigorously for about 5 minutes. 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of honey or 1½ teaspoon of sugar. Honey or sugar is added to feed the yeast and tenderize the bread. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, optional. 1½ cup of warm water or as needed. Mix to combine salt, yeast and honey. Keep mixing to form a soft dough. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and knead for 5 minutes. Brush the dough with little bit of oil. Cover and allow it to rise in a warm place for about 45 minutes. If you are in a hurry like me and you do not have 45 minutes and wait for the dough to rise, then follow this method. Boil 4 cups of water in a saucepan. Cool the water temperature for a minute. Place a plate on the saucepan of hot water. Keep the bowl of bread dough on top. Cover the dough with another plate and let it rise. The dough will rise in 6 minutes. The dough has doubled in size. Punch the dough down really well to remove air bubbles. Allow the dough to rise again. If the water in the saucepan has cooled down, reheat the water and follow the same procedure again for rising the dough quickly. After the dough has risen for the second time, for 3 large Tameez bread, divide the dough in 3 equal parts. If you want a medium-sized Tameez bread, then you can divide this dough in 6 equal parts. Cover the dough so that it does not dry out. Now let's roll this dough. I will roll the dough directly on the baking tray. I'll be using my hands to stretch out the dough. Friends, if you want, you can use rolling pin too. Flatten the dough slightly by pressing down with the palms of your hands. Then begin pressing into the dough with your fingertips, gently working them outward and pulling the dough with it. Sprinkle little sesame seeds and press them down with palms of your hands. Now poke multiple holes in the rolled out dough. Cover this and let it rise for about 6 minutes. Let's stretch out one more ball of dough now. This has risen. Now preheat your oven on low broil setting. The temperature for low broil setting will be 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle little water on top of the dough. This will prevent the sesame seeds from burning. Oven is preheated. Place the pan on the topmost rack of your oven. Broil for 5 to 6 minutes or until the top becomes golden brown. Flip the bread and broil on the other side now for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay friends, Tameez bread is ready. Serve this bread with full mudammas or just enjoy this with tea. Please click the link below in the description box for full mudammas recipe. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.
Well, thank you for